Mabuhay sir, so this is the measurement of our floor plan. So first, ang diameter ng among floor plan is 15 by 12 meters. Ratio is 1 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Kag ang scale is 1 is to 100. Ang kataasan sa among establishment is 6 meter. May kalaparon ang amon nga cafe is 10 by 10. Ang front door, so ari sir makita mo ang front door, so may kalaparon nga 1.5 meter. Yan, ang table, ari makita mo ang table namon, so may distant na siya nga 1 meter each para hindi magbinungguan or maginutok ang mga customer na magsunod kag magpungko sa table. Ari sir no, sa couch makita mo dire sa dalam nga part nga couch may 0.5 meters ina nga distansya. Ang upper part may ara nga 1.5 meter. Ari sir, so ang amon counter may ara nga 4.5 meter. Ang amon kitchen is 4 by 2 diameter. So ang amon preparation table so may ara 1.5 meters. Kag ari ang amon storage 2 by 2 meters. So diri naman kita sa amon entertainment area, so may ara nga 5.4 meters. So board game tables may 1 meter distance sa kada table da para hindi man sila maginutok or magbinungguanay. Ari dire ang amon CR. So ang CR namon may ara diameter nga 3 by 3 kada CR nga pang babae kag pang lalaki. Then ang amon nga back door, we have 1 meter. Kag ang mga window 1 meter yung man ang measurement. Wala na.
Mabuhay sir, I'm here to present our risk assessment plan. The task of barista, handling hot beverages and equipment. So the potential hazards for this are equipment malfunction, spills, and slips. So the control measures for equipment malfunction, training on the proper usage. Sa spills and slips naman is clean the spills immediately. Another task for barista, managing slips and spills. So the potential hazards for this are slippery floors, improper footwear. So the control measures for this use non-slip mats and clean spills immediately and wear slip-resistant shoes. Number 2 is the cashier. So the task of cashier, cash handling and security. So the potential hazard will be for this are robbery and fraud. So the control measures is dapat is mag-organize ang crime prevention through environmental design. Like isa na siya ka-design para ma-avoid ang pagpangawat. Then another task for cashier is answering inquiries. The potential hazards, long period of standing, and the control measures for this, stand with a straight back to avoid strain and desk at the right height for comfort.
Baker and pastry chef. For their task, recipe preparation and baking pastries, food and safety and hygiene, stock management. For their potential hazard, burns, equipment malfunction, improper food storage, contamination, heavy lifting injury spills. For the control measures, training on the proper usage, use the ergonomic rolling pins, whisk, and mixing bowl to minimize strain. Ensure your proper hygiene practice by storing perishable items, label ingredients properly. Keep work areas clean by regular cleaning and maintenance. Train staff to bend their knees and left with their legs to avoid back injuries. Next is clean the floor immediately when there is spell. For the janitor or cleaner, for their task is sweeping and mopping, refilling the cleaning supplies. For the potential hazard, sleep strain and chemical exposure, and correct storage and sleeps. For the control measures, clean the spills immediately. Choose mop and brooms with adjustable handle to reduce strain. Use the PPE or personal protective equipment. Label all the ingredients, all the cleaning supplies, and lastly is clean the spills immediately when there is a spill.